Ron of the SoMo Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. He came up with a great story behind these builds that you see here. And it's based on the movie Spaceballs. Some of you are probably too young to remember that movie. That's too bad. It's a great movie. And I'm sure he explains these cars. I love that it's based, the main vehicle is the Galaxy Taco Company car. So be sure and check out his video of this build. I have links in the description to the video to his YouTube channel, to the video of the build, to his Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you so much, Ron, for doing this build. I hope you had a blast doing it. Thanks to my Patreon members for all of their support in making all of this possible. Thanks to all of you for watching these videos, and I can't wait to see what some of the next ones hold. These are a lot of fun. I'm having a great time. They're really creative. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.